Welcome everybody, Noel here again. Welcome back to the channel. And I'm not going to keep you guys long on the introduction. Today is Jamaica Carnival 2026, or Carnival in Jamaica 2026. And you know, today I am walking with YardMas band. So I'm not going to keep you too long. I'm going to head right back down into the excitement. I have to step back to capture audio, proper audio. So make sure you like the video from early on. If you're not watching on the TV, go by your phone and drop a like. And just leave it to play and just enjoy the music and the good vibes. Yeah. And if you're watching with children, it's okay for them to watch just this one time because it's Carnival. And if you don't want them to watch it, then you know, make it know from now, there will be people enjoying life, adults enjoying wine and jumping and sitting and eating. So you can tell them people from now. Alright, I'm on to the video.
Respectful trip.
Aye. Yeah, I do that,
If your drink is half full, it also means it's half empty. So go fill up your drink. Check on your friend, make sure that they're no fashion. You understand? Please. Final question.
People, the vibes turn up. Let's see if we can go to the exact front of the carnival right now. Because a lot of people down that side, but there's no truck. Yeah. Yeah man people, so this is Carnival 2026. We are with YardMas, just in case you are wondering or if you did not know. YardMas Carnival 2026. And right now we are at the front of the march. leading it on. If you're there and I don't know active right now, drop a like and go on, sit back and relax. If you're watching on your TV, go on your phone and like the video. Yeah. I just sit back and relax and watch where you miss out on. We'll take a quick break.
real strong. Big up the preaching y'all about this truck for the preaching y'all.
Big up Jamaica the party right now. Nature Island. Show them. This is our
either go in front or behind. Hold around. Very, very, very sharp turn. So everybody please either go in front or go behind the truck. Bumps it still right. Bumps it still. Bumps it still. Right here. Hold it right here. Ryan, we'll let the truck go through, then we'll go back to the vibes. Right? The truck's in front, not moving yet. So we gonna play some song until the truck starts to move. We gonna play some song on call. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Hey, 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 hey! You tune. Hey.
Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air.
Only fans of soul.
Put your hands up in the air.
Only fans of soul.
Put your hands up in the air.
Only fans of soul.
Put your hands up in the air.
Let me see you put your hands in the air right now and push them up and up and up, up and up, up and up. Let me see we up and up and up, up and up, up and up. Everybody up and up and up, up and up, up and up. So see we.
Lunchtime, 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 lunchtime.
After 12:30, we gon' get dirty. After 12:30, we gon' get dirty. Hold on.
Go get your lunch.
Yo, Akeem, me and you go warrior. Phenomenally for turn that down, bro.
Alright, so it's now lunchtime, my people. I'm currently on the truck.
Yeah, you can stop.
I breeze out. So at lunchtime. So we're heading over there now to get lunch. Time come so far.
Alright people, so right now it is currently lunch time. So our music is stopped, everybody are come to a stop now and get some food and things. So we're gonna show that now.
I think we need armband to enter in here. Well, I still am checking the armband. I have mine still, so it's not an issue. Yeah man people, so if you have never yet been to Carnival, let me know in the comment section. We're having a quick intermission, but let me know that in the comment section. And if you have been to Carnival, when last you come to Carnival, did you enjoy it? Let me know all of that. And where am I supposed to go? Okay. Over there. Okay. Almost in here, sir. Inside lunchroom? Inside lunchroom?
So the VIP.
Oh, it's a VIP?
Yep. So once regular, then you head.
Oh, over here, sir. Alright. VIP to this, regular to this side. Alright. Looking good. Setup is nice. And the great part is over here is silent. No music. Just talking.
Of course I do.
So we have different booths serving different type of beverages and food. And as I said, I'm not going to take up too much time showing the lunch break. Just showing you guys the setup. Over here we have a nice and lovely photo booth. Lovely. Right here we have views.
Yeah, man. Smile. Just take it normal. Let's smile. Just take it and smile.
Can do it again?
One more time.
Alright, sir. 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
And right we have the baddest photographer in Jamaica.
Whoa, I'm gone.
You want to take a picture now?
And we have the baddest, what them call it again, live blogger. I'm at the place.
Thank you. Hey, come on,
And over here we have the Nescafe booths. Nescafe. And the Maggie. I'm not sure what Maggie I sell, maybe That's Maggie probably serving soup. And then we have the Red Bull booth serving Red Bull. And this booth, I don't know this brand, but here it is. And we are on to the inside. I didn't expect this. I didn't expect this at all. Good vibes in here, people. There's music, but it's still good vibes. Alright people, so we are back on the road again, ready, live and active. Vibes looking good. Everybody there is going to their mind.
If you're on the road with your friend, your best friend and living your best life, put your hands in the air. Hands in the air. Hands in the air. I don't really to walk the road. When I walk, it's problems. It's problems. 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 Ready? Festival. It'll be prime.
Somebody say ladies, can you get over? Ladies, can you get over? Get over. Ladies, you ready?
up. Pull up there. Slow down the truck. Driver. If you ever make me drop. Slow down the truck. Stop the truck, driver. Stop the truck. Yeah. Go on with the road. 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 Mix style, mix. Mix clip. Watch out, mixer.
Anytime you know they can call me, she a cooking at the morning, call me, I say call me,
Bend your back, start your back. Bend your back, start your back. Walk it up, yeah. 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 Ladies, walk it up, yeah. No, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Rock it, set it. So straight up. Let me see it, yeah. Let's go. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Spot it, yeah. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Boom, 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 boom. Chicos suaves, chicos suaves, chicos suaves. You, not bad in English, not bad in Spanish, but you. Chicos suaves, you, not bad in English, not bad in Spanish. What's your bad in bam bam? You bad in bam bam. When we go suave, you in trick. You position, you unleash. That's you bad in bam bam. Look over friend, I got Jim all here, now she high grandson. I love that. I love that. Smart up a round up a lady, shake your bumper. Can't take it. Ladies, I want to test your knees right now. How low can you go right now? How low can you go? Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Right now, right Listen, it would not be YardMas if we didn't have a few surprises for you. I love soca.
So no more really come quick, that's why she's loving me. But I bet you when you're not there, gonna stick me while the men know let me see you blink. I'm gonna beat it up, yeah, it's time on the road. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. Never here. I want to see a girl jump on the police bars right now. Two police officers in court. I want to see two free of little girls jump on the police bar there. They're trying to bring them down up on the road. They're trying to have them bring down up on the road. Jump on the police there.
for the one short girl. Open the ground for the one short girl. And you don't want to take a much short hit. Just up to more, she will say, get up. Arch your back and let me burst it, burst it, burst it. Walk it up and let me burst it out, burst it out, burst it out, girl. Say good on, let me burst it, burst it, burst it. We burst it and let me burst it out, burst it out, burst it out. Reach back and grab my throat and let me jump, 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 and shoot, girl. Reach back and grab my throat and let me back up, roll in it. Reach back and grab my throat and let me jump, jump. Take your talk is hard. You wind up on this hard. You believe the parking lot. Check. I answer. It's okay now. When the rum tell you that. Come show them he's a big dancer. And don't cause he's a big dancer. Wait time cause you. It's your friends alone. I don't care where the good say whoopsie. If it's tight, say whoopsie. I go by the name Classic Fresco Bar, the Carnival Star. Big up YardMas. I want to bless the mass first. So I'm gonna sing to the ladies. You ready? What do you think then? You're the best good in the world, say that's me. You're the best good in the world, say that's me. You're the best good in the world, and you have no STD. You're the best good in the world, say that's me. 5, 10, 15, 20 times a week, she said. 5, 10, 15, 20, more and more. She said, chill out. Not to walk till the condom, but chill out. So if you're gonna sing with me. Hey girl, what's the wine on the birthday girl? What's the wine on the birthday girl? What's the wine on the, let's go. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. All the people did this. There we go. Ladies. Y'all are looking lovely, but I don't want to see your faces right now. Touch your toes if you can't touch your toes, touch your knees. Let's go. Walk up on the birthday girl. Somebody walk up on the birthday girl. Oh gosh. You and I won't lose. Ladies, you know it go. Honey, YardMas back disco. Honey, YardMas back disco.
When it's no man right like a cyclist, and then go on your head like a Baptist. Because the prayer that's a fix so what's a bit, and the whole weekend is the practice. I spy with my little eye, 2 bad girls bubbling whole
Ladies,
night.
let me talk to you.
I want them like drinking punch and whole night. How will you listen this? How will you listen this? How will you touch up your toes, miss like a miss? Oh gosh. How will you listen this? How will you listen this? How will you touch up your toes, miss?
Take bamboo, girl. Take bamboo, girl. Ladies, show me your favorite position right now in the road now. Here we go. Take bamboo, girl. Take bamboo, girl. Bend over and touch. Oh gosh. Take bamboo, right there, girl. Oh God. Take bamboo, girl. Ladies, show me your favorite position to take bamboo. Show me. Oh God.
Wind up. My ladies, set. No, turn around. I just check my second beat. Jesus Christ. Which you are putting out, let go. I said Bacchus. I said Bacchus. 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 Look at the girls that will love a good Bacchus. She like Bacchus. She like Bacchus. Mix it up. Jump up on the police jeep. Jump up on the police jeep. Wicked police. Warrior. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Get on that number. Hey. Hey! Oh, very low. Everything in the air like a hot soap. Head on top of the... Bless God. YardMas. Give your hand up in the air. Rack up in the air. Turn them in the air. That's good. Very low. Everything in the air like a hot soap. Head on top of the... Look, if I they all smell good, put something in the air. Yeah. Come ahead now. We don't touch it up till it's over. Hold on till it's over. Turn it over. Mash it up till it's over. Hold on till it's over. So ready. I got the power on me. I'm ready to run. You know why YardMas call me? Grenade, I put a grenade shot to my hand. Grenade, if it's what they want to get them up to the front. You see the money. Stay right there, YardMas, stay right there. On your stay right there. Stay there still. Everybody just work. Get ready. YardMas, go. Jump there, very on. Everybody go. Yo, YardMas, everything up. Bring them up.
Alright, so that is a wrap on today's video. Carnival 2026 YardMas.
So the carnival is still active, people. I'm sure you know what go on. Carnival is still active, but
My feet are burning, so that's a wrap for me. I don't know if they're tired, but me tired. I'm gonna go up and get dinner and then go home and upload that video. So let me see who watch it from start to finish. Drop it in the comment section.